Speaklance English, everyday English podcast.
Jack, have you ever noticed that the smartest people in the room sometimes sound the most insecure?
Yeah, that's me. Every single time.
Exactly. And it's not about intelligence, it's delivery. Even brilliant ideas can fall flat if they're not communicated properly. Today, you're going to understand why smart people sound unsure and exactly how to fix it so people not only listen, they believe you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speaklance English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jack. So, Anna, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about why smart people sound unsure when they speak. All right, let's explore this.
I overthink every sentence, Anna. I worry about sounding stupid, so I talk fast, repeat myself, and stumble over words. People nod politely, but inside, I know they don't fully trust me.
That's very common. Smart brains overprocess. Overthinking creates hesitation. Hesitation creates weak delivery. Weak delivery makes even the smartest ideas sound uncertain. And uncertainty erodes authority instantly.
Even when I know my stuff perfectly?
Yes, knowledge alone doesn't equal influence. How you present it, that's the hidden power.
So it's all in the delivery.
Exactly. And mastering it will make people take you seriously every single time. Close your eyes, Jack. Picture your next team meeting. Everyone's waiting for your insight. You start speaking, but your sentences are rushed. You over-explain. You repeat words. People listen, but they don't believe you. Feel that?
I feel like I'm losing credibility, even though I know everything.
Now imagine this instead. Same meeting, but you speak slowly. You pause. You choose each word carefully. Each point is clear. People nod, lean in, trust you. Feel the difference?
Feels empowering, like I actually own my knowledge.
That's the secret. Confidence is as much in your mind as in your voice. Here's a simple 3-step method you can start today. Step 1. Awareness. Record yourself for just 2 minutes a day. Count the words you repeat. Notice your speed. Awareness is the first step to control. Step 2. Simplify sentences. Break complex ideas into short, clear sentences. One idea per sentence. Slow down. Clarity automatically gives confidence. Step 3. Mindset and voice alignment. Before you speak, sit or stand tall, breathe deeply, align your voice with intention. Visualize trust. Feel it, speak it, every single time.
Even if I stumble?
Especially then. True authority isn't perfection, it's clarity, even in imperfection. Jack, let me tell you about someone I worked with, a PhD-level engineer. Brilliant mind, full of insight, but he always rushed his words. He spoke fast, over-explaining, repeating himself. People nodded politely, but behind the scenes, nothing got implemented. His ideas were lost in translation, no matter how smart he was.
Wait, just because of how he spoke, not the ideas themselves?
Exactly. Knowledge is invisible if your delivery doesn't carry authority. Your words are the bridge between your brain and the listener. If that bridge shakes, the message falls flat.
So it's like his brilliance was trapped inside him.
Perfect analogy. And here's the turning point. One week, he consciously slowed down, paused, broke his sentences into smaller, clear chunks. No filler, no rushing, just deliberate clarity. Each point landed. His team actually implemented his recommendations. Promotions, recognition, leadership opportunities, all because he changed the way he spoke, not what he knew.
Wow, just by slowing down? That's powerful.
Yes, Jack. Delivery is the hidden superpower most smart people completely overlook. People don't just listen to your words, they feel your confidence or your uncertainty.
So even small changes in voice and pacing can change everything.
Absolutely. Every pause, every word, every breath, it all adds up to credibility. And that's what separates thinkers from leaders. Now, Jack, your challenge is simple, but not easy. Next meeting you walk into, I want you to speak slowly. Pause. Feel every word. Choose your words with intention, like each one is carrying weight. Before you even speak, feel authority inside you. Own each sentence, even if your heart races. Trust me, your confidence will start before the words reach the room.
I I can do that. I will pause. I will choose carefully. No more rushing, no more fear. I'm going to try it.
And here's the key, Jack. It's okay to feel nervous. Even leaders feel fear. The difference? Leaders speak through the fear. You own it. You don't let it own you. Every time you practice this, your authority grows. People start listening differently. They respond differently. That's how confident communicators are born.
I think I finally get it. It's not just what you say, but how you carry it.
Exactly. How you deliver is just as important as the content. And the moment you internalize that, your voice becomes a tool of influence. Listeners, I want you to imagine this with me. Imagine your fear, your hesitation, every time you open your mouth in a meeting. Now, imagine the same scenario, but this time you speak with clarity, authority, and confidence. Each word intentional, every pause meaningful. People lean in, nod, respect your insight. Can you feel it?
I can. I feel the difference already.
Good. Here's what I want you to do today. Comment confident if you accept this challenge. Then record yourself speaking for just 2 minutes. Practice slowing down. Practice pausing. Practice owning your knowledge. Listen back. Repeat. Every small effort builds your authority muscle. Your voice is your power. Train it, feel it, use it.
I will. I'm ready to own it.
Exactly. Speak, lead, be heard. And remember, authority isn't born, it's practiced. Start now.